iPhone 16 Pro Max is not for babies. It's for big girls. Big girls. I'm a big girl now. What are you saying? I'm a big girl. My husband is an odogu now. Excuse me. Excuse me. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? You don't know my husband is an odogu. I'm married an odogu. I'm an odogu wife. Okay. Hi, beautiful uncut with nonoObis. Welcome to my channel. Okay, if you're new to this channel, please kindly subscribe down below. Give this video a thumbs up, like it, share, and everything. On this channel, it's all about good vibes. By the title of this video already, you already know what this video is all about. Sorry, I have this little one here. We're gonna be doing this video together because baby girl has refused to leave me alone. I went upstairs in my mommy's room to hide there. This was my mommy's room when she was here. But yet, these kids followed me. You can see the other one lying down on the bed behind me. And this one here has refused to stop talking, so I had to add that to this video. By the title of this video, like I said, you already know what this video is all about. Guys, I'm going to be reviewing the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Guys, I would say that it's been a while I've used iPhone, though. I think the last iPhone I used was 2020. I'm not sure anymore. But of course, I'm not so eager to use the latest iPhone because what's the latest iPhone most times for? These phones are all looking alike. They're all the same. Do you understand? Especially with iPhone. I don't know what's wrong with iPhone. They are so... I don't know if it's pride. I think they have pride in them. Like, the pride in them has refused them to actually calm down and exploit a little bit, make their phone look a little bit different. I don't know, because at this point it's no longer a brand thing. They want to be branded, remain like branded the way they are, but I just feel they need to like spice things a little bit, just like Samsung. Like, they tilt a little bit away from what they are used to and spice it a little bit. Because if you trust me, if you come to the market world of iPhone, no matter how they think they're making their money, they should be making more if they actually tweak some things in each of the year they're bringing new products. Just tweak it a little bit, because if you want, whether they're making money or not, like I said, 60% are not actually going to be coming back every year to be buying that phone. In as much the remaining 40% are buying it, are giving them much money, but they would have been making much more than that if they are tweeting a little bit, making their video look a little bit, their phones look a little bit fine-tuned and different from what we usually used to know, right? It will make other 60%, because most people will say, why am I changing my phone? Why am I changing my phone? It's simply like my phone is using iPhone 14, right? And this is 16. And she said that she even had somebody come to her for an offer to like buy and pay like in 4 places. Well, I paid mine was paid cash, okay? But I'm just trying to say that even if you offer them as minimum of, okay, pay me when you want money, people will not buy it. Because she told me that why does she want to change her phone? Because she asked me how my phone. I did a video call and showed her what my phone looks like. And she was like, why should you not buy a new phone when this iPhone 16 looks almost like her phone? Like, I need to tell somebody, hey, I'm using iPhone 16 before the person actually knows I'm using iPhone 16, right? So it's not making sense. There should be class in it. Like, if it had a different model, that's when you just hold it and be doing hello, people know actually that you're using iPhone 16. I think it will make people to like, okay, let me buy it, because people knows I'm holding class on my hand, right? So many people are not even eager. But apart from that, I look materialistic. I love good things. I love money. I love everything. But still, all these things has limits for me. Like, I'm not materialistic, even though I might look like someone that loves all the good things, which I love. Don't mistake me. Don't even go there. I love all the good things, but I'm this kind of person that can, okay, it's okay. Like, it's not a do or die for me. I can remember those days when BlackBerry came out. People were doing so many things to have BlackBerry. It's not my business. I had BlackBerry later, but that point it was so like everybody must have BlackBerry. I didn't have it then, so I didn't have to go extend all these things they say girls were doing to have BlackBerry. I didn't do all those things, but because I don't care, because I knew I was still going to have that BlackBerry, so I wasn't forcing it. What am I trying to say? What I'm trying to say is that I am finally coming back to use the iPhone that I'd not used for several years. I think the last I used was in 2020. What was 2016? I don't even know, but at the point it was 20 something. That was the last iPhone I used. So now we're going to be comparing iPhone because I've talked too long. So this is the pack of the iPhone 16 Pro Max, and this is the last iPhone I used here. I don't even know the this is 256 GB, and this is also, how many GB is this one actually? I think this is 256 GB as well. It's not boldly written on it like it was written on this one, but I think it's that range as well. But this pack, the last iPhone I used, this is the pack. This is where it looks, and this is the pack of this one. This is where it looks. So I think coming to the pack, they kind of changed it because this one is a bit slimmer. Because when this phone came in, I was asking my husband, "Are you sure it's the iPhone that is inside here?" Because it's not heavy, but this one is heavy. Do you get it? This one is not heavy, and if you look at it sideways, you can see that the edge here is also big, and this one is also slimmer. Do you get? When you open inside this one, you can see the way the pack is. I still have my old iPhone inside this, but we'll be getting to that point. But when you open the pack of iPhone 16, it's just very direct to the point. The other one has so many things inside. This one is direct to the point. Just the charger and just what they have inside the iPhone 16 Pro Max is just the charger and the pin to bring out your SIM card. That's just what is inside this iPhone 16. And inside the previous iPhone I used, I think it's I don't know, the one I used 2020 or something. I don't know. This is gold. This is the way it actually looks as well. So now we're going to be talking about the phone. So this is the iPhone I used last, and this is the new iPhone. This is the iPhone 16 Pro Max here, and this is the other one I used. And I've already put the pack here because I got several packs for this. I was actually on the queue for this iPhone 16 Pro Max. I was actually on the queue, and when it was coming, I ordered my packs as well. So I have different packs, so I'm going to show you guys. So this is my old iPhone, and this is my new iPhone 16 Pro Max. iPhone 16 Pro Max, I got different packs for it. This one, this one. And this one my baby is holding here, which I don't know if she has not put on the floor. And this one as well. So I was very particular in getting a very good pack because my last iPhone, which was this, my kids microwaved it. They put it inside the microwave. That was actually what made it bad. If not, at this point, it was not even bad. It was still very strong, even as much that they've thrown it on the floor several times, but it was still very strong. But when I stopped actually making use of it was when my kids microwaved it. The boy put it inside the microwave. I didn't know it was there. I thought food was warming. But thankfully, the smell actually got me to it. By the time I opened it, it was already like the screen was already like too white. I'm gonna put it on so I show you guys what it actually looks like now. So this is how it looks like. It's now very white, like it's now very white. So I don't even know what to see. It now has green screen. So this is what actually happened to the phone. It's now too overly white. Do you get? So I was very particular with getting screen guards, getting phone packs. So when they throw it on the floor, all those things, I will still be safe. So these are the packs I got for my iPhone 16 Pro Max that I'm going to be changing with. So guys, I'm continuing doing this video. Like I did something now. After that last clip you guys saw, I switched to my iPhone 16 Pro Max to do this video that you guys are seeing now. So this is actually the video from the iPhone 16 Pro Max. And I think it's very beautiful. The camera is so wonderful. I've heard people say a lot about the iPhone 16 Pro Max camera, and I think I can see it now. It's almost next to my camera, like next to the Canon G7X3, no, G7X Mark III that I'm using to film this video. I think it's actually next to it. Like my face is so clean on it. Good phone is fine. Oh, good phone is sweet. Oh, I swear. So, guys, see the way I'm looking from the phone. I'm also filming this video with natural light that I'm using to film this video. So guys, you guys should just judge the phone. What do you guys think about the phone? What do you guys think from the video you guys are saying? What do you guys think? I think they actually upgraded something in their camera. I don't know, but I think so. I'm gonna use this phone as well to snap just a normal regular picture so that you guys can compare as well. And I'm going to use this iPhone 16 Pro Max as well to snap a regular picture. So we can just put it on the screen and compare, right? Let's do that right now. Let me just snap it. So I've taken a picture of myself and I'm going to do a small video here as well. And I'm going to attach it on that clip. So let's just use it and compare. So this is me doing video on all of my iPhone. This is me doing video on all of my iPhone. So we're going to be comparing. So I'm just done with the video right now. So I'm gonna just compare this. I can't even wait to compare it, guys. I'm loving this. Oh, this one is giving everything it has to give. Don't tell me that. Like, what reason do I have not to create content right now? Like, what reason do I have not to create content right now? Like, what reason do I have? I have my camera there. I have my phone here. This camera is so sweet. How do I maintain this camera that it doesn't ever change? So guys, that's what I'm saying. Guys, I told you guys are very intentional. I told you guys, I'm not kidding. See, I got several screen guards, like back-to-back screen guard. I don't even want story. As soon as the other one is crashing or breaking, I'm changing into a new screen guard. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I got 5 screen guards. What are you telling me? I got 5 screen guards because I don't want story. As soon as the other one is just cracking, me, I'm changing it. iPhone 16 Pro Max is not for babies. It's for big girls. Big girls. I'm a big girl now. What are you saying? I'm a big girl. My husband is an odogu now. Excuse me? Excuse me? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? You don't know my husband is an odogu. I'm married an odogu. I'm an odogu wife, okay? So guys, I'm so excited. I didn't know I was going to be so excited about this. Like, I'm so excited. But guys, I don't know. I'm gonna happy for me because this is actually my birthday gift. My birthday was on my birthday was in September 24th, and this phone came now because this phone came almost a month later because we ordered and we were on queue, and the phone just came not long ago, and I'm excited. I'm excited. Like I said, I love good things. That doesn't mean I'm that kind of woman that if I don't have it now, then things will break. No, I have patience to the extent that whenever I receive it, I receive it. That's the kind of woman I am. I have patience to receive things when it comes to me. And I love it. I love it because what's this world with things? No, 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 no. It's gonna come when it's gonna come. That's just the short form of what I'm gonna say. Guys, I'll be ending this video right now. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you have money and you want to invest in iPhone 16 Pro Max, go ahead. Because speaking from me here, the phone is very good for content creating, for capturing good memories and everything. The phone is perfect for it. And I'm filming with you right now. That's what I'm using to film right now. And you guys have seen the comparisons, and I can say, in as much as the shape of the phone and the tray camera thing, like the other iPhone I'm using, is still there, but it's, I think they upgraded in their camera and their picture quality just a bit. But like I said, I think they will make much money if they try to like tweak a little bit thing, just a little thing. If they try to tweak a little thing on their phone, making it look a bit different, even though they think they're making a lot of money, I think they're going to make even lots of money when because people just feel, oh, it's the same design, it's the same thing, I'm not buying. Okay, many people went in to buy this Samsung, latest Samsung, because I love the way it looked as well. That Samsung is really nice. If I have it, I don't mind as well. It's really very beautiful. Maybe next year, instead of changing my iPhone, I'll just get the latest Samsung next year. Yeah, I told my husband to do. Excuse me, are you jealous? Are you jealous of us? Don't be jealous. Yeah, so instead of me getting this iPhone for next year, maybe I just get a Samsung phone. Yeah, I deserve every good thing. I'm a very patient woman, very kind, a good listener, very humble. I don't. If I get the good things of the world, I'm happy. If I'm asked to wait, I wait. That's kind of woman I am. Just easy breezy. See, when my iPhone came, I'm still happy. Even if it didn't come now, I'm still going to be the same happy woman that you have, or I have always been. Thank you guys for watching. Please share this video if you haven't shared it, and I'll see you in my next video. Don't have a wonderful day. See the angle of this video. See the space behind me. Like, you got the angle getting is top notch. Bye. Baby, come give me something. Oh.